Want to rank number 1 on Google using Wix SEO Wiz in 2025? Here's how. Step 1. Open Wix SEO Wiz and connect your site to Google Search Console. Enter your target keyword and let the Wiz suggest focused keywords and intent. Choose a primary keyword with clear search intent and moderate competition. Optimize page titles, meta descriptions, and URLs using the Wiz recommendations. Add structured data and schema markup for rich results where applicable. Improve images, compress, add descriptive alt text, and use lazy loading. Boost mobile speed, enable mobile-friendly layout, and optimize fonts. Connect Wix's sitemap and robots file, then submit to Google Search Console. Set up analytics and rank tracking to measure clicks, impressions, and positions. Publish, add internal links, and earn a few quality backlinks to boost authority. Subscribe for more Wix SEO tips and grab the link checklist to get started today.